This is going to be how to replace the starter clutch on the 8 horsepower Briggs. This is a IC engine. Now we got to pull this off right here. This is a ground switch right here. That's what that is, shuts it off. We want to remove the screen . What we're going to do here is take this off. I got a handy little piece of brass that's gotten shorter and shorter over the years. And that is that wore out jewel. New one all together. New used one. That little washer in the center. Just use the big part and put it back on. And watch this, it'll come apart as you're doing this. Let me turn this around a little. Turn it around a little more. Get it all on there and that's it. Working just right. Put that ground back up in here.